This video will introduce you some interesting fact about robotic and automation. Before we get into the subject, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. To aid human resources, the robotic process automation industry is becoming the most integral part of any and every business. Other than streamlining entrepreneurial operations, robotic process automation is capable of reducing costs. With its integration, businesses can easily automate mundane business operations and processes while employees can work on other higher priority tasks. Hence, there is no denying that artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT are already prominent parts of various industries. Now, with robotic process automation, each domain is getting better traction in terms of productivity and efficiency. As per Statista's prediction, RPA facts and figures market value will reach over $3 billion by 2023. Here in this video, we will be taking a look at everything about robotic process automation, RPA facts and figures along with the cost of it for businesses. What is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation, also called RPA, is a technology that can intelligently automate business processes based on rules that are structured and repetitive. The tools of RPA can be used for easy communication with other digital systems. These communications can be made for capturing data, retrieving information, processing the transaction, and more. Understanding RPA demand in the market, the RPA itself represents the use of robots that are programmed for completing business tasks. RPA's initial processing was adopted by financial firms. Since its beginning, financial organizations simplify businesses. Other domains like healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and others are a few examples of RPA technology adopters. Using RPA helps in reducing the overall labor cost along with preventing any human error. The technology is processing a lot of information and business operations, resulting in its popularity. The surging RPA market size Forrester of robotic process automation and different domains. Fascinating facts about robotic process automation. Process automation. Yes, RPA adoption can definitely automate the organizational processes that are routine-based and repetitive. However, when it comes to decision-making, taking judgment, or any relative tasks, using RPA can be challenging. As identifying, evaluating, selecting processes, or taking decisions using business process automation statistics involves human assistance, features of RPA cannot alone work towards it. RPA Selection Processes. When you are beginning with the robot automation integration, it is mandatory to choose the process which carries both high potential and power. Let the processes be divided into low benefit, low complexity, low benefit, high complexity, high benefit, low complexity, high benefit, high complexity. For choosing the right and appropriate one, get your team together for brainstorming various RPA processes. Together with your team, pick the best one that satisfies your organizational processes along with streamlining the processes. Partial robot automation. Through the benefits of robotic process automation, organizations can automate regular tasks easily. However, it is not necessary to automate processes from scratch to end. By using the technology appropriately, you can identify steps in a process that requires actual automation. An effective tool. There is already stiff competition for RPA demand in the market, and there are more than 50 RPA vendors available to buy from. There are some vendors who started a little earlier, whereas some have got venture capital backing. All these vendors offer products that are similar in nature and work carrying the same level of technology foundations. Understanding and analyzing the competitive nature of RPA demand in the market and the products offered by different vendors, there is already a lot of noise stating who delivers better. Hence, in order to eliminate the risk, you can opt for the topmost vendors of RPA. Other than that, instead of buying a costly one, you can buy more and see the differences. Reengineering process. There are agencies that re-engineer their processes to make them more efficient and consistent. Until and unless agencies follow some standard operating procedures, ending up the process ad hoc is obvious. For taking forward the organizational process, hence, businesses can re-engineer the overall process. Re-engineering the business process is a holistic approach that involves a lot of data flow, IT systems, organizational culture, recruitment, training, and so on. Therefore, for the benefits of robotic process automation, it is wise to opt for automation processes. The approach not only offers benefits but improves the process also. Preserving memories. When a person retires from the organization, She does not only retire from the position but also takes over from experience, knowledge, business acumen, lessons, and so on. And then their position is being filled with younger generation employees. The younger generation then uses its own set of RPA tools, techniques, technologies, and smartness for delivering the same thing. For bridging the gap between the retired and the younger generation, RPA can be a good option. RPA is a way to capture and automate many processes. It is a tool that can hold the institutional memory of the agency even when the person retires or a new one connects. RPA bots. Just like human resources, robot automation workers also require ultimate care and feed too. The feed can be in terms of updates, frequent bug fixing, etc. Other than that, once the bots are developed, tested, and deployed into production, require monitoring for ensuring that they are functioning correctly. So this is our video for today. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.